Gosh, Ma, I just don't get all this physics stuff.
Your father left because of you.
Aw, shucks.
What's poppin', Jimbo?
Nothing much, mister. I'm just trying to do my physics homework. And failing.
Well, why's that? What are you, stupid? What are you, some kind of moron? A big dumb poopy pants butthole? Well?
No. Just don't get this laws of motion stuff, that's all.
Shut up, dummy. Tell you what, why don't I give you a little tutoring session? Would you like that?
Boy, would I!
Well, shut up then, you big useless waste of space. Gravity was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton in 1666. He realized that there was an attraction between Earth and all other objects. For example, when you drop an apple, it falls to the Earth. This concept can be applied to every object in our perceivable universe. Every object has a natural pull on every other object, and vice versa. The pull on objects towards Earth is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Newty Boy was also responsible for what we know as the laws of motion. His first law states that when an object is in motion, it tends to stay in motion, unless acted on by an external force. Also, when an object is at rest, it will stay at rest until acted on by an external force. Take this toy car, for example. The car is at rest, and it will stay that way until something moves it. The car will stay in motion until it is acted on by another force. Newton's second law states that acceleration is directly proportional to the exerted force and inversely proportional to an object's mass. This can be expressed through the mathematical function force equals mass times acceleration. Newton's third and final law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This means that whenever a force acts on an object, that object exerts a force equal in magnitude, yet opposite in direction. The overcoming of this threshold is what allows for motion to take place. For example, if you were to smash a hammer against a table, the hammer would recoil back into the air. This is due to Newton's third law. Another important concept to understand is friction. Friction is typically defined as a contact force in which two or more surfaces move across each other. Friction usually occurs in the direction opposite of the motion. There are two main types of friction, static and kinetic. Static friction occurs when two or more objects are in contact but are not moving. Kinetic friction occurs when two or more objects are in contact and are moving. Take this textbook, for example. While it sits there perfectly still, it is currently experiencing static friction, but when it slides across the table, kinetic friction occurs to slow the textbook to a complete stop. So, Jimbo, do you understand now?
Not really. You kinda just read the notes out loud. Those weren't very well thought out at all.
Well, maybe next time you should spend a little more time on the script.
What?
Shut up, nerd, and get back to work.